Everyone wants to own in the Sunset. I get it. Snowy plovers, hookfish, vegan everything, the dated home, well-maintained, original charm, blah, 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 all teasing you into believing that it's actually gonna fall within your budget. Even though it has been renovated since Michael Jackson was the king of pop. I mean, who doesn't like paying a premium to wear a jacket indoors? Oh, but you get the schools. Oh no, that's a lottery. You know, or you can get this. City views are boring. Ocean views too. Anyway, this is 88 Palisades. It just depends on how much you hate your money.